Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another DIY video. Today we're just going to be doing a simple tie-dye set with an oversized t-shirt. Well, it's just the extra large, but it's an oversized on me, and then a pair of leggings, and I got them in the color white, of course. And then I got some tie-dye. I have the color fuchsia pink, and then it's like a teal blue, and then I just have a basic black. All you need is just hot water, or like it could be warm water or whatever, and some rubber bands, and that is pretty much it. It's really easy, very simple. I am going for like a super chill look, nothing too serious. I'm not trying to make this look super perfect. Like I said, this is just going to be like a chill look. Just throw on and go, throw on some cute little sandal slippers or whatever you got, and just go. So yeah, make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any videos when I post. Tell a friend, subscribe to your girl's channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. This video will be a time-lapse video because it is pretty much self-explanatory. I hope you guys enjoy. Like I said, comment, like, share this video if you can, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Hey, you're on viral. Hey, you're on viral.